Hi guys, this is PretWolf XX121 and today I'm gonna teach you how to draw a wolf. So all you need is a piece of paper like this one, and all you need is a pencil. So the first thing that I had to do is to, like the same thing for the bird, you have to lightly draw out the circle for the head. And for that, you have to draw the neck like that. Yes, I'm drawing a wolf from memory, and I know what they look like. They look like this. So, you gotta do the shoulders. After you're done with the shoulders, you do the back, the tummy, the arms, legs, and the tail. So after you're done with that, you're gonna draw the ears. So the tip of it is a little bit rounded, but the rest of it is like triangular. So you have to make sure they're the same height because you don't want to over exaggerate the ears and stuff. So after you're done, if you want to do some few details, that's okay. Like that's what I'm doing right here. And this is where the eyes are gonna be. And don't forget about the nose. Okay. Since it's all set up, and I'm gonna use a technique on how to do the fur, and I will be right back. So I just came back from having dinner in the other room. Lightly do the fur on the wolf because, you know, to make it realistic. So I have a question. Comment down below if you have a favorite type of wolf. My favorite one is the gray wolf because they can be multiple colorations. But my personal favorite is not only the gray wolf and the Arctic wolf, but my favorite one is the dire wolf. I'm not talking about the Game of Thrones variant of the animal. Even though it was based on a recently extinct animal, Eosaurus. I apologize for the speed up process. I know it's kind of satisfying, but I just can't handle it, you know. After you're done drawing the textures in pencil, you have to use a marker or a pen or something like that in either black or any color of your choice, because you do you. Okay? Yeah. So what I'm doing is I'm using my thin Sharpie to create the outlines for the wolf. So after I finish with erasing the pencil stuff on the wolf, I'm gonna color it, and the reason why I had a cute binder on my desk so I can make it has a better texture on the. I know I'm trying to say it properly, but that doesn't even matter anyway. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna color it and let's see. It works. And I'm also gonna use one of these. This is a Explore the World Crayola colored pencils, and this one is deep golden. So I'm using black for shading out the gray tones and coloring the nose and stuff. And what I'm gonna add is a combination of orange and yellow. So I'll be doing a speed up of this, and let's see how it goes. So after I'm color in the wolf, I'm also gonna color in the background, so wish me luck. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, so you won't even miss a thing. And don't forget to click the bell for notifications. I'll see you then. PetWolf XX121, signing off.